Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be reviewing this watch face, and this one is called Chalk from USA Design watch faces, and this one is actually one of the best selling watch faces on the Play Store right now, so I decided to give it a go and see what it's all about. So here you can see that it has a very lively design. We have our time here in big chalky numbers and digits. Then at the top we have our day. It says Monday. We've got month here, July. Very stylish iconography going on, very smart iconography I would say. And then at the bottom it says I am at 68%, so that's your battery, and that's always on display version. It just goes black and white in the same design. And then finally we have our steps. Now you can see that we have got some really cool icons going on alongside these stats here, and the day is also in this banner, so it's very different from what I am used to of. And once again, that's the always on display version, which also again looks very cool. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the customization options for this watch face. So if we go in customize, we have background, always on display option, color, and complications. So let's go through backgrounds. So it just changes the color of the banner and overall theme color. Sift through these colors and set the one that you really like. Okay, I will select this one. Next we have always on display. So we have seen the default always on display version. We'll select the second one here. Next we have color. So this is the color for the time itself, and you can change that as well. So, and then finally we have complications. So we have 4 different complications here that we can set. So allow the permissions, and then you can add different complications from here. There are quite a few options available. So that's our customized watch face. Finally we can see. So here you can actually make it your own. It's very lively. I really like the way that this watch face has been built. Very different from what we are used to of and what I've been using this entire past year. So this is the second always on display version. Here we only get time, hour, minutes, and AM PM, and that's about it. And this version of the always on display will also help with preserving the battery life. So that's about it from this video guys. I will put the link of this watch face in the description below. I hope you've enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.